Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a website for business. First, choose a memorable domain name that clearly represents your brand. Next, select a reliable web hosting provider to store your website's files securely. Finally, install a user-friendly content management system, such as WordPress, which powers over 43% of all websites, making ongoing management straightforward and efficient. Now, let's focus on design and content. Select a professional theme or template that perfectly aligns with your brand identity. Then, create compelling, high-quality content that truly engages your target audience. Remember to optimize all images and videos for faster loading speeds, which significantly improves user experience and can reduce bounce rates by over 20%. Next, we'll cover essential features and search engine optimization. Implement crucial pages such as About Us, Services, and Contact. Integrate clear contact forms and strong calls to action to guide visitors. Optimizing your website for search engines is vital. It helps potential customers find you, with over 90% of online experiences beginning with a search engine. Finally, it's time for launch and ongoing maintenance. Thoroughly test all website functionalities, including forms and links, before going live. Regularly update your content and software to ensure security and optimal performance. Monitoring website analytics, like Google Analytics, helps you understand user behavior and make informed improvements, ensuring your site remains effective for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.